Hello, I'm Sean Riley of The Infinite Kind, here to demonstrate how to install the desktop version of Moneydance on a ChromeBook. You probably know that ChromeBooks can run Android apps, but they've also added the ability to run Linux apps, which dramatically increases the amount of powerful software they can run. The first step is to enable Linux. We do this by going to the ChromeOS settings and scrolling down until you see the Linux entry. Turn that on and wait a few minutes while it downloads and installs. When finished, it may open a terminal window or command prompt, which you can simply close. Next, we download and install Moneydance from infinitekind.com. Make sure to download the deb installer for Linux. Once the download finishes, double-click the downloaded deb file to install Moneydance. When the installation finishes, you can click the Launch option on the notification, or open Moneydance from the application list. You can now create a new Moneydance file, open a synced file, or open a file that you've copied from another computer. I also recommend dragging and dropping Moneydance from your apps list to your dock in order to enable quick access to it. If you have any questions or trouble with this, please email support@infinitekind.com or visit our help site at infinitekind.com/help.